Three, there is what we call strategic decision making. Strategic decision making. This is the formal act of committing resources to a specific course of action. It is often less rational than what textbooks suggest. It's less rational because it may call for a rational normative model where decisions are made based on objective data and logical evaluation of alternatives. So strategic decision making may be through rational normative model, rational normative model, rational where decisions I've said are made based on objective data and logical evaluation of alternatives. There is also political behavioral model, political behavioral model. Political behavioral model is another model that you can use in making strategic decisions. Decisions here are the result of bargaining, the result of power struggles, and the personal influence of the key individuals. That is the political process. That is the political process. And the key challenge here, candidates, is avoiding groupthink, especially where the desire for harmony in the boardroom leads to poor decisions because no one wants to challenge the leader's idea. So that is strategic decision making. After the board buys into the idea, because we say these are tactics that one can use to sell an idea to the board. Once the board has bought into the idea, the board can then use these two models to make a decision on whether to adopt the idea or not.